with my clients, I find a pre-existing large language model, and we tend to do some work to figure out the one that they like the most, because there's so many out there. And then we kind of build on top of that through retrieval augmented generation, which is where you're applying your own content, but you don't have to do the pre-existing training of the model. And then that way it becomes specialized into the domain area you're looking to be able to query. And then you've kind of, but you've almost refined the LLM and tweaked it, fine-tuned it, rather than building it. And so I have a lot more experience in doing that than building one, because it's a very large task. I would recommend going, if you haven't heard of it, called Ollama. And Ollama is basically just a platform. It's an engine that carries lots and lots of different large language models that are open source and are available for you to download. So I would recommend toying around with some of those, because there's some really good ones out there. And then if you want it to be domain specific to your whatever use case you're trying to use it for, then you can apply your own, whether it's system prompting, so it's your backend prompting, or your your own documents for RAG. That is something that we use with clients, and it works really well. Something that I do day to day works really well, because then it means I don't have to do the extensive work to build a model and then change it every time I need to use it for a different client.